Hello, my name is Clyde our palm tree. It is a very beautiful day. I love these days by the beach. Take a look. Isn't it beautiful? Oh look, this is Mr. Mole. How are you today, Mole?
Guess what? The weather is going to get very rainy today. Hee hee hee. You hate rain. Hee hee hee.
No, it's not. Why are you so mean? It is not going to get rainy. You are just joking with me.
Whatever you say, Clyde. The clouds are about to roll in.
No, they're not. That Mr. Mole is so mean. The clouds aren't going to come in. There isn't a cloud in the sky. Oh, there are some clouds in the sky. I hope Mr. Mole wasn't right about the rain. Oh no, there are a lot of clouds in the sky.
Hello again, Clyde. Did you see the sky? There are clouds. It is going to rain. Hee 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 hee.
You go away. I don't care what you say. You meanie. Rain is good for me. It makes me grow, and it makes your house flood. Hee hee hee.
I feel sorry for you, Clyde.
Rain makes me depressed.
Ha ha ha, Clyde. I told you it would rain. Now aren't you terribly sad? Ha 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 ha. Well, that did not make any sense. I'll see you later. Have fun in the rain, while I am in my nice cozy hole.
Wow! The rain went away pretty quick. And now it is a beautiful day again. Yay! 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 And now there is a rainbow to enjoy. Yay! Wow! Yay! Wow! Wow!
What? That's not fair. Wow. Look at the rainbow. I wish I could enjoy it.
That's what you get, mean Mr. Mole. I love these days by the beach.